Hi guys, good morning everyone.
Amazing!
Now, our vlog for today, may dumating tayong guest. Isa to sa friend ko, best friend ko from other country, si Kim. Na-miss ni Jill, si Kim. So, naglalaro kami ng football. Ito ngayon, ayun sila, naglalaro kami ng football. Yan. It's Saturday, so nagbisita sa amin sa bahay. So, bigyan natin si Jill. Na-miss nila si Kuya Kim eh. Let's go guys.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Yay! Yes?
Hello vlog, welcome!
Where?
Welcome to Green Park.
Green Park
With Kuya Kim.
Where's Kuya Kim? Oh, here. Oh, dito. Oh, Kim. This Kim, my friend.
I'm fucking.
Yeah. Okay, Jack, go. Let's play football. Yeah, let's. Hello. Magpe-play tayo ngayon ng football with Kuya Kim and Jewel. Guys, papawis tayo ngayon. Oh, come on, Jewel.
Amazing!
Let's play here. Dito. Ayun,
Hello!
yeah, this one. Ayun yeah. This is the ano, like this. Oh, like this. Oh, look. Kuya Kim is a goalkeeper. Okay, like this. Oh, look. Okay. Okay, Jimmy, you. Wait. Try. Go, Jimmy. Kick. Kick. Okay. You need to goal this one, eh? Or left or right. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Kuya Kim naman, you. Alis ka, Jill. Kuya Kim naman.
I shoot there, okay?
Almost. Go play. Okay. In the middle, in the middle, in the middle. Wow, go! Ha, save! Oh, where are you going? Oh, your turn. Oh, galingan mo ha. Where you put? Right or left?
Right or left?
Only tricks, only tricks. If you if you say right or left, it's only a tricks. If you kick like this, you make sure at the left, okay? It's a tricks, okay? Go! Whoa!
Galing mo.
So, come on, it's far.
Why you said that?
Yeah, it's left. Go, go, go. Oh, ikaw naman yung alo. Oh, look at Kuya Kim. You gotta trick you. You gotta trick you, eh? Left now, left. Oh. Oh, save. Oh, goal. No, I'm going to vlog. Kuya lang ni Kuya Kim. Oh. Left? Okay. Oh, left nga! Yeah, it's far. Yeah, only this side.
Water break.
A water break. Go, go, go. Stay there. Come on, son. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, turn. Turn. No, go, Kuya Kim. Kuya Kim muna, Kuya Kim muna. Look, you see left, but it's right. Oh! That's the tricks. Yeah? You said left, but it's right. That's the trick, Jewel. Oh, goal! Oh my goodness, goal, 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 goal. Yeah. Naku, mukhang ulan ah. Yeah. Strong. Strong. Kick like a horse. Again. Not only right, left also. Okay, Daddy's turn now, Daddy's turn. Okay.
Hi video, we are here at Green Park with Kuya Kim. This is our new vlog with Kuya Kim. He comes for, where do you come from?
Russia.
Russia. Amazing.
Kuya Kim is live now at Russia.
This is our new
Left. Alis down mo, malakas to masakit. Left. Jewel. Paano to? Strong, this is strong, very strong. said.
Let's go today.
What? Off with you. Stay stretching.
He nearly kicked the camera. Because we're not going to the party.
Your friend Atjana is waiting for you
We're not going to the party.
with Belle.
I'm not going to the party.
No, because me and also Kuya Kim and me also will going outside.
I'm going to Hammersmith
Hammersmith, then
to meet the big boss.
who will meet? Archie?
Archie.
Archie first? But Archie 2 o'clock, no? 2:30. Okay, let's see. Yeah, maybe you can.
Go full of first.
Fulham first, then. Because Jen is 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. to 11 in Wembley. Jen's. Yeah, it's very. I told them very far. Oh, sige, look, Jewel. Be careful, Jewel, eh?
Look here up front.
Okay. Show. Oh, be careful.
Amazing.
Matumba ka. Oh, be careful, anak. Yeah.
She has the physical.
But before, before, it's not but now, strong. Huh?
Yes, same.
No. Which one? Let's go na! Let's go home. Okay, go. Tomorrow we coming back here. Okay? With bike naman. Very sweet. Let's go na kasi it's almost 12:30 na. Jewel? Oh, bye-bye. Mom is waiting. Oh, bye-bye ka muna sa vlog. Hi vlog.
No.
Bye.
Hi.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Please. Iwan ka rito. Bye-bye muna sa vlog. Let's go na. Okay, bye-bye.
9 o'clock.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye vlog.
Bye.